Y'all got something to fast food is?
Yeah.
Y'all can show
We're gonna show the girl that whoop beat you up.
Bitch, don't do that. Oh, let me get Junior on you. Let me get Junior on that head.
When we get Reggie on that head.
Let me get Junior on that head.
Let me get Reggie on it.
You know you scared on him.
Hey, you know you scared on him.
Don't take it
Scared of Junior? Boy, I'll toss that nigga.
I got time for this, but y'all know these take me too shit. Bye. See y'all later. Just let me know what y'all think about the video. Show this up your ass.
Hey,
Then my little this little bitch go right here. Then my look at the camera. Look at the camera. Then my little sister right here.
You going to jail. We all going to jail.
Malik.
She damn sure going to jail.
Malik.
She going even more to jail. She just back.
Malik. Malik, look.
I'm going to jail.
Try this shit with me.
I'm going to jail. Alright, we can end. She's a dirty motherfucker.
Y'all didn't want to record me.
Alright, bro.
I love Mexico.